I have a quick question for you. I'm about to play you two separate clips and I want you to tell me which of them you find the most trustworthy.
Hey, it's James. So I've just discovered 3 cool tweaks you can make to any website, whether you're an affiliate or a product owner, and even if you're a beginner, intermediate marketer or advanced marketer, okay? Just implementing these 3 cool tweaks will skyrocket your sales overnight, and here's some proof. And of course, this is a paid product. Here's what the price is all about, and here's a guarantee policy, and so on. Hey, it's James. So I've just discovered 3 cool tweaks you can make to any website, whether you're an affiliate or a product owner, and even if you're a beginner, intermediate marketer or advanced marketer, okay? Just implementing these 3 cool tweaks will skyrocket your sales overnight, and here's some proof. And of course, this is a paid product. Here's what the price is all about, and here's a guarantee policy, and so on. Well, here are the results. From over 11 years of doing this stuff and dissecting thousands of offers in hundreds of different niche markets with loads of different coaching clients, I've discovered that it's always going to be better for you to show your face. Now, of course, not everyone is going to be able to do a video like this. Maybe you don't have the equipment, maybe you don't have the confidence or just the expertise to talk on camera comfortably, okay? Maybe you screw up too often where you can't edit the video without it looking weird, or especially real life video, I do most of mine in one take because it looks weird if it's jumping around everywhere and I'm suddenly over here, then suddenly over there, you know? It's just a lot easier to do it that way, and I've learned to do that. I hated being on camera to begin with, but I learned to do that over time because it was a necessity for my results to get better, okay? But of course, if you're just getting started, I can't expect you to do that straight away. You need to learn this stuff. You need to become better at it, like learning a new language, like learning a new sport. It takes time to become confident, to become good, okay? So in the meantime, what I would recommend you do is use a photo of yourself in your content. So when you are talking about, you know, who am I and why should you listen to me, add a photo in there of yourself. It could even just be a family snap where, you know, you've cropped out your family members or whatever and it's just your face smiling to the camera or something like that. As long as people can see who you are and it looks semi-professional, in other words, it's not really pixelated to the point where you can't tell who you are, it should actually be easy to recognize you in that photo, and again in the future photos as well, so there's a consistent theme. That's going to really improve your results, because from all of those offers I've examined over the last 11 years, every single time the results have been that showing your face gets much better conversion rates, because people like to connect with people. We are a communicative species. We like to speak face to face with people in real life. We're not hiding behind a screen in real life. So why should online be any different? See how that works? We need to trust one another in a way which can only be done when you can see the other person's face. If somebody is hiding their face, if you are watching a video right now and let's say I'm not on camera, I'm just a PowerPoint slide or whatever, imagine how much less trust you would have with me, because I'm just speaking like this on a PowerPoint slide. Hello, my name is James. Wow, today is great. You know, there's no emotion, there's no personality. You can't connect with me as much as me being on camera or even showing my face. You know, even if I showed my face and spoke with my personality, with some inflection in my voice, that creates a relationship between you and your prospect. And that relationship and that trust is going to be what pushes people over the edge to trusting you enough to buy from you, whether you're an affiliate or a product owner. Because even as an affiliate, people need to trust you. People need to trust on your recommendation. Even if it's not your product, they need to pay some sort of attention to what you're saying and place an emphasis on the recommendation that you have and place importance on that, okay? Then the best way of doing that is by showing your face. So yes, you can get by not showing your face if you're scared of what the public will think or something like that, which by the way has never been an issue with any of my coaching clients who've done this. You can do that, but your results will be rock bottom and you will struggle a lot to make sales. okay? However, just adding a photo of yourself will do wonders for your conversion rates and your results and your sales, and therefore your profit, which is a win-win all around. And of course your audience will like you better and open more of your emails and just like you overall as well. Alright, so hopefully you've enjoyed this video, hopefully you found it valuable. If you have any comments about it, please leave a comment in the section below. And of course, if you're watching on YouTube, give it a thumbs up so we can help spread the word about this around the community. And go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Alright, so have a great day. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.